Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can have your own wiki for your project. Now, we can even manage this wiki through a visual interface where you're typing directly in the browser, or you can actually write this on your own machine and push up to your GitLab and have it so you're doing everything locally. So let's get going on that right now. So one of the areas that GitLab really shines in is the wiki features. So if we scroll down here, we can check out this little book here where I'm in the project view. Remember how I said to sort of be cognizant of what view you're in? So I'm in the project view. I'm going to select wiki. And you can see we have a pretty basic wiki page. Notice how you can use the format as our doc, ASCII doc, Markdown. I like Markdown. I'm going to keep it that way. And we can do things like welcome. Actually, let me make this a pound. Welcome to this wiki. Okay, let's go ahead and just create page. Now you'll notice we have a single page. We also have a tab for pages where you can see which pages we have access to. Let's go ahead and make a new page here. I'm going to have another one, and it's asking for the page slug. And what's funny is that how to set up is a great suggestion. So how to set up, how to get going, how to install, any of that stuff. Click create page. We can just say run and then npm install this stuff. Okay. Just like that. Let's go ahead and create another page here. Now you'll notice we have the home page up here. We don't have any other pages, but if you click pages, you can see them both here. Now we can link to any of these pages. Let's go ahead and click edit. And you can see that we can link to these pages simply with the page slug. So let me just copy this and paste it right here. And this can just be how to install. Okay, and the page I believe was how to set up. I know that's confusing, to set up, but either way, all we have to do is link to the slug right here, and we can click save changes. Now we have a link. You can select this, and as you can see, it does take us directly to this page in the wiki. Now this is just really super handy because, I mean, we just created a couple of pages, and this is just so much better than a README if you have a lot of stuff and your project is pretty large. For instance, a lot of my projects are pretty large, and if somebody were to come in, they'd be scrolling forever in a wiki. They'd be scrolling forever in a README. So having a wiki with everything you need to know about the code base is a great idea. Now, in addition to just creating new pages, editing, deleting them, seeing their history, any of that stuff, we also have Git access here. So let's select Git access. And as you can see, we have a very specific URL here, or a Git path here. And now this does say to install this Golem thing, which is a gem, which basically I'm sure is just going to set up some sort of server, but you absolutely don't need this to just edit this wiki on your site. In fact, if you can read Markdown, which you should be able to, then you can just simply grab this directory after cloning. Let's go test wiki, drop it into your text editor, and let's check it out. It's really just going to be a couple of Markdown files in a Git folder. You can see that we have this how to set up, and we have this run npm this stuff, and then we can, let's actually expand this to say npm install more stuff, just to stick with this theme here. Okay, but as you can see, I've made a modification to the wiki. I can come to that directory and I can do git add dot git commit -m updates install. Okay, and now we can do git push. And as you can see, it's updated and pushed to the master. Now when we head to our GitLab install, I can come to the pages. Let's select how to set up, and you can see that our update's been pushed. So if you're like me and you like to edit this stuff on your local machine in your text editor where all your tools that you like to use are here instead of some sort of a online text editor or an online markdown editor, then this is definitely for you. The wiki tools in here are really super nice. And as you can see, we can click page history here and we can see that I updated it. Updates, here's the commit message less than a minute ago, page version, here it goes. You can even go back and view old page versions if you'd like. So all the good stuff is here for working with wikis on your project. And if you come back to our page here, although the wiki doesn't necessarily appear right here, it's always going to show up in the sidebar as the book. If you wanted to in your README, you could always link to the wiki just with the URL address up top. Cool, so this is a wiki. This is how you can add and edit it all on your home local thing. If you want to add another page, you can simply just create a new markdown page in the same directory and it will handle it accordingly. Actually, let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to say new file and let's just say new file.md. We can have this be hello, save it. Let's do again git add dot git commit m adds new page. These are terrible commit messages, by the way, so don't mimic this. Git push, and we can have this be pushed up. As you can see, our new file is up there. We can click pages. And just like that, we have new file, which is a markdown, and it has our hello. This is just super easy. We don't have to register this page anywhere, and we didn't have to do clicking around an interface anywhere. So this is why the wiki tools in GitLab are so nice to work with. So as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tutorials. If you want to purchase the rest of these videos before they're available on YouTube, head to store.leveluptutorials.com and become a pro to watch these videos. Or you can purchase them outright if subscriptions aren't your thing. I really appreciate you watching. If you want to go ahead and subscribe to our newsletter and stay up to date with all the latest, head to leveluptutorials.com or store.leveluptutorials.com and sign up there. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.